particularly. I don't know if you can even get me up on the curb.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I'm scared. Made it! Woo! Oh, yeah. Yeah, oh my gosh! It's tight. It's tight. It's like we're in a race. An ancient battle of sorts. All I need is a big stick to stab the other person in the other cart.
I gotta mount this little letterbox over there.
Done.
We need to set up our new microphones.
Done.
We need to finish mounting the back of the ladder and put the ladder back.
Done.
Time to fix our broken shore power plug.
Done. Done.
I need to make these hinges fit so that we can bolt these lids down.
Close to done.
I can control the engine from here now. Doing it now. I should even theoretically be able to stop it with the stop cable, but I'm gonna let it run for a little longer first. All right, I'm gonna turn it off. Oh, just as planned. We're taking the end off so we can take the traveler off this rail because it's super broken. We have to service it or replace it or something. I'm just trying to keep it even so I don't bend them too bad. Huh?
It's a long one.
So I got this block up right here and slid the traveler car out. So we got the old traveler off and it fell apart into these pieces. You can see a lot of the wheels are destroyed, and we got some new pieces and we're going to mix and match parts until we get something that works. Well, it's not the prettiest thing ever, but we got a setup here that's gonna work. It's gonna be, oh, I need to finish putting this pin in. There we go. It's safe. It's gonna work. It's actually probably more robust than the last setup would have been if it wasn't broken. Ready to rock. What just happened, by the way?
What do you mean, what just happened?
What milestone did we just achieve?
500 subscribers! Yay! Thank you to our viewers.
I'm gonna mix up this Bondo, and then we're gonna send Savannah on a covert mission to patch holes on the backside of the transom. I didn't know when I got you this stand-up paddleboard I was buying like a vital tool to the restoration of this boat.
I know, right? Oh gosh.
What?
It's not a one-handed job like the sanding is.
I'm literally going to hold you by your hair, by the scruff of your neck.
Do it. Grab my hair. Grab my hair.
Ugh.
Thanks.
This is so odd and funny.
Okay.
Cool.
Don't let me go.
Other side. This is so funny. How awesome what we're doing has started to hit me fully, and I realized that in just a handful of weeks, we're going to be starting the adventure of a lifetime. I see the end of your paddleboard. So why are we gel coating over the water line right now when that totally doesn't need to be done before we sail the boat? Because we want to. We're having fun with it. It'll make the boat look really cool and fun. I want to have a bright colored hull so that when we're in the Bahamas and we're on the beach and we look out at 30 boats anchored out there, it's like, yep, there's ours. You've got tape on your foot.
Thank you.
Do you want to sit on that side of me? We've got blue. We've got green. We've got syringes. Should we just do like half of a syringe of each color just to kind of get an idea
I would
where
start 50-50.
This is going to be a lot easier than when we did it in the 5-gallon bucket and you couldn't actually see what color it was.
I know.
Right.
There, that's half.
Woo! It's like, ooh, we should just leave it swirly and paint it that way. Have a tie-dye hole.
Ready for a little green?
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna do only.
Blew it up. Another 5 mil of blue. Probably more blue and more green.
All right, so that's the full 10 of blue.
Okay.
What do you think now? A little more green again? Probably. It kind of just looks blue.
It's just like baby blue. We just keep ending up back at baby blue. Okay, now we're starting to get some more turquoisey colors. Is that closer to what you were envisioning?
Yeah. 17 blue, 23 green.
Hike! I'm loving it. You can keep adding green, keep adding blue. So far, I just keep liking it more and more the more colors it adds.
It's pretty bright. It's gonna look really fun and cool. Like it's really gonna stand out.
Yep, that's the goal. When it's on the beach, another
I guess
option
we're
would be
keeping
like,
it.
all right, let's get this thing.
Ah, we picked a color. Time to
That
just.
color.
I wanted it to be good.
What's that?
I was gonna bang on it in your hand. There and.
She's bonking me.
Good now?
The mic is connected now, but I think we might have recorded a lot of audio without the mic, unfortunately.
Oh.
Okay.
That's okay.
So, how much was a cap?
I'm pretty sure we did two caps per pint before.
What catalyst concentration do we want? This says 10 milliliters for a quart for a 1% concentration.
Yeah, but I think it says on the bottle what our percent concentration is of catalyst.
So 1% is 10 milliliters for a quart.
I don't
yeah,
really
so
know
a pint
what
we do
this
10.
is.
Okay, the chart is
Yeah.
the one part I actually understand.
Wouldn't look at the bottom chart. The top thing where it says gel coat plus hardener is what you want.
So we need to
That's
put
what
2
I was
caps
like,
in for a
we
quart.
just 10
2
mils
caps
per pint.
for a pint.
Yeah.
2 caps for a quart at a 1%. And we want a 2%.
But that's 1% with
Yeah.
resin. And that'll be that. We're mixing.
No going back now. It looks so baby blue on the video. Okay. Good luck. Oh, that's a cool color.
Oh man, it looks so good. I'm already in love with this color already.
Dude, that dock line just tipped the camera into the water and I happened to look
Into
over.
the water?
I happened to look over just in time to catch it.
Nice. I was gonna
Wow.
say, I didn't hear a splash.
Will you tip that little roller furling line up so you don't get gel coat on it?
Oh, this?
Yep. Thanks. Dude, it's like the same color as your paddle board. Okay, you missed a little bit on the top right of that cover. Yep, right in there. Got it.
Thanks.
It looks great from here. I mean, it's not that smooth. It is totally okay. The master at work. Can we just take a moment to talk about how good it feels out here? It's like
It is impressively excellent.
the weather conditions are delightful. The mics and the phone tried to die, but I had to still go and capture this. Oh, this is incredible. It's only taken her a couple of minutes to do the whole side of this boat, so I think we'll be done with the whole boat in probably less than an hour. Savannah was just gel coating the boat and a little alligator popped up right next to her, but he swam away really quick. And you're floating away! Dude, your hair! You grabbed on with your hair!
I did.
There's a plant growing on the side of our boat.
Alright, now you can take all this.
Cool.
Homemade cat toy. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you would like to support us even more than you already have, you can check out our new awesome Patreon page. There we are going to be posting some bonus content. And if you join as a member, then we're going to be doing a monthly Q&A for members. And we're going to be giving out this sweet sticker, this Trails and Sales sticker, to all of our members. And this is while supplies last, so if you like it, don't wait, hop on over and check it out. Safety first, kids. He was messing with us this whole time. Are you getting a picture first or video?
Well, I swear we just bought 2 rolls.
Well, I accidentally got not actual blue tape.
What was it?
It's just duct tape that's blue.
Oops.
Look at me go.
Look at you zooming down there. Ugh. Nice. I just tripped. I bet I looked cool doing it too.
Time I'm done, I'll be the same color as the boat.
You're disappearing. Goodbye. I need to grab a
Yeah! Thank you.
You can do it. I believe in you. Go, Savannah! Go, Savannah! Yeah, yeah,
It,
yeah!
doesn't want to.
Yeah, I'm cheering you on. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. It's that you've got this. You're amazing. You're amazing.
I should
You
have
can
had
do
you
it.
start like a timer or something.
Go, Savannah! You're doing amazing.